Hey there, guys. It's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now, before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Now let's dive into the sheer value awaiting you after picking up this product. Prepare for a mind-blowing experience as you unlock 4 sensational bonuses, seamlessly delivered through JV Zoo or Warrior Plus. First off, Bonus 1 unveils my proven method of amassing a staggering 250,000 email subscribers weekly. No fluff or guesswork involved. I'll walk you through precisely where to find them and reveal the secrets of mailing them using a cost-effective, self-hosted autoresponder ranging from a mere $3 to $12 per month. Hold tight for Bonus 2. An exclusive peek into my cutting-edge free traffic technique dominating 2023. Watch as your offers, blogs, and websites surge with a torrent of visitors, courtesy of this powerful method. Next in line, Bonus 3 is your ticket to conquering YouTube. I'll unravel the strategies to catapult all your videos to the top spot for your chosen keywords on YouTube, ensuring an influx of traffic directed straight to your offers. But wait, there's more. Bonus 4 grants you access to promote my mentor's flagship product, Empire, with an unheard of 100% commission throughout the entire funnel. This means you can proudly endorse it as your very own product. Seize this opportunity to elevate your online presence, maximize traffic, and skyrocket your earnings. Don't miss out. Embrace these game-changing bonuses and embark on your journey toward online marketing supremacy. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Are you grappling with boosting your website's rankings on Google? Ever wondered how to drive unlimited free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds? The solution is at your fingertips. Welcome to the world of SeoDominic, the pioneering SEO toolkit that offers you immediate access to 53 indispensable SEO tools. It's high time to outshine your competition and catapult your website's visibility into the stratosphere. Why compromise when you can have the best? SeoDominic is far more than a toolkit. It's your golden ticket to ascend the ranks on Google and tap into a ceaseless flow of free buyer traffic. But hold on, there's more to this package. The first 150 quick decision makers will receive a free gift. An exclusive pass to SeoDominic's 5 additional premium SEO tools and 100 reseller licenses worth a whopping $1,997. And the surprises don't stop there. SeoDominic is equipped with groundbreaking, unprecedented technology designed to elevate your business. Bid farewell to draining monthly payments to insatiable SEO platforms. SeoDominic is a 100% beginner-friendly technology, no pre-existing tech skills required. Now you can attract more traffic to your offers without breaking the bank. Wave goodbye to the days of doing everything yourself or hiring costly freelancers. SeoDominic places the power firmly in your hands. Gain better exposure for your offers and trounce your competition with ease. SeoDominic is your secret weapon for digital success. Don't let this game-changing opportunity slip through your fingers. Click the link below to secure your copy of SeoDominic now and revolutionize your website's rankings.